Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply YouTube marketing video training designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of YouTube. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will take you by the hand and show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you really need to know in order to dominate YouTube marketing the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This is exactly what you are going to learn. In video 1, which is the introduction video, you will get a detailed explanation of what will be included in the complete training so that you can have a clear vision of what to expect from it. In video 2, you will learn what YouTube is all about. We will give you the easiest definition for it, as well as cover very important factors so you can have a simple but accurate and complete understanding of YouTube marketing before you start working on it. In video 3, you will learn why you should definitely use YouTube for your business today. You will learn about some of its amazing benefits, as well as several shocking facts that will make you decide to start getting into it right away. In videos 4 through 10, you will learn how your business can get the most out of YouTube. We will cover topics like YouTube channel, YouTube Creator Studio, YouTube Upload, YouTube Analytics, YouTube Editor, YouTube SEO, and YouTube Ads. In video number 11, you will learn the top 10 YouTube automation tools that you can use to get the most out of YouTube. These are several websites dedicated to giving you highly important services so you can set up and monitor some very successful campaigns. In video number 12, you will learn the 10 do's you have to apply for successful YouTube marketing campaigns. These are specific things you should remember to use or practice so you can succeed. In video number 13, you will learn the 10 don'ts you have to avoid for successful YouTube marketing campaigns. If you ignore these, be prepared to be disappointed. In video number 14, you will get the chance to look at several shocking YouTube marketing case studies. These are actual examples we have taken from the internet to show you how YouTube marketing actually works for other businesses, so that you can have complete confidence in your ability to achieve your own business success story. In video number 15, you will learn how to make tons of money with YouTube as an affiliate, strategies that you can apply and definitely see great results. These strategies have been used by experienced online marketers obtaining awesome results. Well, it's time to dominate YouTube marketing, fellas. I know you will love this training.